My dinner takes about 10 minutes to cook every day. I just take some chicken thighs. I like this paprika seasoning on it. Stick it in the microwave or stick it in the air fryer. Yes, I have 2 air fryers, but I stick it in the air fryer. Then I have my frozen vegetables. This is cauliflower. I'll stick this in the microwave for 5 minutes. And then as I do that, I'm going to do a little workout. Let's do some incline push-ups. I actually like doing them on the counter. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! All right. So as we do that, I'm going to do some high knees. I'm going to do this for a minute. I mean, what else am I going to do? I mean, if there were kids here, I'd help them with homework and talk with them, but maybe I'd have them do that with me. Who knows? But try to get in workouts anytime you can. So let's do those high knees. All right. And you got a perfect timer. Microwave will be actually 5 minutes, 30 seconds. So technically it takes me 11 minutes to cook dinner. But I do it every night. It is meat, usually chicken thighs. I do like some pork and some strips every once in a while, or even some hamburger patties, but always in the air fryer. And either potato and a vegetable or 2 microwave vegetables. I like it. It tastes good and it's healthy. Yeah, I could use to make my own vegetables, but can't do that in 10 minutes. All right, so now I'm going to do some step and reaches for about a minute. And you see I don't time it. I could go over to the microwave and time it, but I'm not going to. All right. So get some cardio going. Go. Also helps you unwind. Trust me, you'll be hungry by the time it's done. I can smell the chicken already. I hope my kitchen was clean before I recorded this. I didn't look. Shucks and nabbit. All right. All right. So now we're going to do some leg lifts. My kitchen is small enough that I don't have to go up all the way. But let's do 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I do something different every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there we go. Hasn't been 5 minutes yet. So let's do some bicep curls. Just grab something with a little weight. These are light. Right here, let's do 10 of these. 1, 2, do a little shake. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since this is so light, I'm going to do 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's get some back workout. Let's do Y's to W's. Y, W. Remember, pull your shoulder blades together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I'm feeling it. 15. Woohoo! How much more time we got? All right. We got about 20 more seconds. So let's do some butt kickers. Kick that butt. Come on. If you can go faster, do faster. If you can't go that fast, then don't. Just until it beeps. Once it beeps, I'll turn the chicken thighs over and put the second vegetable in. And guess what? My dinner is halfway done. And if I do this both times, I've got an excellent 10-minute workout, and I didn't have to take any time out of my day. Dude, come on. You're gonna beep? Come on, let's go faster. Because you don't know when it's gonna beep. You don't know. All right, it's been the longest 30 seconds of my life. Come on, we got this. Woohoo! 5 minutes done. Let's switch the vegetable, turn the chicken, and do it again. Have a great workout.